A very good day to all traders. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. So today for dollar yen itself is also a pretty quick one. Market is still on its bullish move based on daily chart itself. If we head down for our chart, you can see that there is two harmonic pattern and they are not conflicting yet. Alright, the back pattern has really completed. It has the movement has went way beyond target 2 itself. A pattern is a pattern. This is a counter trend trade for this pair itself when we engage this trade, and we did share with our subscriber who have subscribed to the entire package or just the trade ideas position itself. For those who are in Singapore, you are in luck. We are having a workshop on 12th of September. If you'd like to learn the right way of sharp pattern itself, just register. I will place the link right at the top itself so you won't miss it. Register it, and I'll see you on Tuesday itself, and you get to learn this harmonic pattern. Very interesting pattern itself, and I will see you there. And of course, for trend traders itself, you might be just waiting for the sharp completion. Let's see how it goes on this coming Tuesday, and till then, remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan, and I will see you soon.